Hi everyone, me Robert here, and in this video I will show you how you as a developer can extend SAP S/4HANA Cloud. Today I will give you an architectural overview of the technologies behind the scenes, but also the tools we use. You will learn which role SAP BTP, the Business Technology Platform of SAP, plays in this context, but also what the private edition and public edition of SAP S/4HANA Cloud has to offer. If you're interested to learn more, please give me a thumbs up below and subscribe to my channel. Now without further ado, let's get to it! Alright guys, I've created a simple diagram for you with 4 swim lanes. On the swim lane on the left hand side with the yellow background, you can see the private edition of SAP S/4HANA Cloud. On the swim lane with the green background, you can see the public edition of SAP S/4HANA Cloud. The swim lane with the white background contains your local workstation. And on the swim lane with the blue background, you can see the Business Technology Platform of SAP. Let's start with the SAP BTP Business Technology Platform. SAP BTP provides 3 runtime environments: the Cloud Foundry environment, the Kyma environment, and the Abap environment. Both the Cloud Foundry environment and the Kyma environment are basically based on open source projects that allow you to run your applications in containers. However, the Kyma environment is built on top of the open source platform Kubernetes, which is a container orchestration platform that provides more control on the underlying infrastructure. In these 2 environments, you basically can run applications written in any programming language as long as they can run in containers. However, as you will see in the next minutes, SAP provides great support for the programming languages Node.js, TypeScript, and Java if you want to run your applications in these 2 environments. On the other hand, for Abap developers, SAP provides the Abap environment, formerly known as Steampunk, where you can run your Abap applications. The Abap environment is a service that itself runs in the Cloud Foundry environment. If you're interested to see this live in the system, feel free to leave me a comment below and I will show you this in one of the following videos. The Abap environment is also available in the private and public edition of the SAP S/4HANA Cloud and even on-premise. The codename of this was Embedded Steampunk. On the other hand, in the private edition, the classic Abap stack is also still available. However, for certain reasons, which I maybe will cover later, it's not recommended to use it. Now let's have a look into the available programming models. Let's start with the programming models on the SAP BTP Technology Platform here on the right hand side. Here we have CAP, which is the Cloud Application Programming Model that supports you to write applications in Node.js, TypeScript, and Java, and to push your application to the corresponding runtimes. And for Abap developers, we have the Abap Cloud, which was formerly known as RESTful Application Programming Model, RAP, that allows you to build Abap applications and to push them into the Abap environment. Both models use the Core Data Service, CDS, for interactions with the database, but also for providing services, especially OData service to the UI. On the other hand, on the private and public edition of SAP S/4HANA Cloud, we solely have the Abap Cloud RESTful Application Programming Model available. Additionally, in the private edition and on-premise, you still have the classic Abap with direct access to tables available. However, as already mentioned, this should not be used anymore. This takes us to the UI. As you can see here on the SAP BTP Business Technology Platform, we can build UI front ends with Fiori elements and SAP UI5. But of course, Fiori is also available here on S4 Hana Cloud. Additionally, you still have SAP GUI available here in the private edition and on-premise. Again, it's not recommended to use this here, and it's not accessible from the Abap Cloud programming model. You cannot access SAP GUI from the Abap Cloud programming model, and you also cannot access tables directly. Now let's have a look into the available development environments. Here on the SAP Business Technology Platform, you can see that the development environment is BAS, the Business Application Studio, that you can use for your CAP development. BAS, the Business Application Studio, is a service in the Business Technology Platform. However, alternatively, you can also use Visual Studio Code, which is the open source code editor from Microsoft, which you can install on your local workstation. On the other hand, if you want to develop with Abap, you have to use Eclipse, which you have to install locally on your workstation together with the Abap development tools. Therefore, you have to use Eclipse together with the Abap development tools for Abap programming on SAP S4 Hana Cloud and also on SAP Business Technology Platform. Altogether, we have 2 extensibility options for SAP S4 Hana Cloud. We have an on-stack extensibility and a side-by-side extensibility. On-stack extensibility means that we write applications that run on the same stack as S4 Hana Cloud. Side-by-side extensibility basically means that we write applications that run on the SAP BTP technology platform. For the side-by-side extensibility, SAP S4 Hana provides remote APIs and events that we can consume on the SAP BTP technology platform. On the other hand, for the on-stack extensibility, SAP S4 Hana Cloud provides extension points and local APIs. Extension points we can use if we want to change existing S4 Hana applications, and local APIs we mainly use if we want to build new applications that also need to run on the S4 Hana stack. So that's all for today. If you like this content and you want to see more, please click the like button, subscribe button, and also notification bell below, and see you in the next one.